Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to be anonymous in Google Docs. Basically, if we want to share Google Docs with anyone, we do share and go to anyone with the link and then copy the link and share with anyone. So if you want to be anonymous, if you want to see the documents without showing your data, your email or your ID, then you can do that. First of all, go to three dot menu and click on new incognito window and then paste your link to see the document. Here you can see I'm watching the document without signing in any email. The file was shared by this email and here is calling to sign in. That's it. You can watch any document by this way without your data or without your email ID.